Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about chlorination, a substitution reaction of alkane, in which we are going to chlorinate the methane by free radical mechanism. Here you can observe that methane is reacted with chlorine molecule in presence of UV light and convert into chloromethane. Then again it is chlorinated and convert into dichloromethane. Again it is converted into trichloromethane and tetrachloromethane. It is a sequence of reaction which is get repeated and you get mixture of product. It is a very simple reaction, but here I am discussing about some important and noticeable topic which you doesn't think it may be possible or not. So watch the video till the end. So here reaction mechanism is free radical mechanism and its first step is chain initiation. In this step, the chlorine molecule in presence of UV light get on homolysis, and after homolysis they convert into chlorine free radical, and that free radical are highly reactive. Okay, that free radical are highly reactive, but after formation of chlorine radical there is two possibility. Your chlorine free radical may be attack on another chlorine molecule or maybe attack on methyl molecule. So first we discuss about if your chlorine molecule is attacked by chlorine free radical, then it is converted into again chlorine free radical. So this step is probable but is not productive, because we are attacking our chlorine free radical and we also get chlorine free radical, so it is not productive. We also get our reactant as a back, so it is not productive. So it may be probable but we are not considering in our mechanism. Next possibility is your chlorine free radical get attacked to methyl molecule. Means it is maybe two possibility. If your chlorine radical share single electron and here the hydrogen of methane molecule share its single electron, then they form covalent bond and produce a HCl molecule, and another electron of carbon hydrogen bond is going on carbon and it convert into methyl free radical. And next possibility is that if your chlorine share one electron with one electron of carbon, if here hydrogen getting one electron and your carbon give one electron to that chlorine free radical, then methyl chloride may be possible and your hydrogen free radical may be liberated. But during this discussion, which step is more preferable is studied by its bond energy. So for every reaction, bond should be break and bond should be formed, and the energy required for bond breaking is produced by bond formation. During the first step, you can observe that the bond formation energy is 103 kilocalorie and the carbon hydrogen bond breaking energy is 104 kilocalorie. So you should require minimum 1 kilocalorie energy to complete that step and produce methyl free radical. And another chance is getting that your chlorine free radical is attack on methane and produce hydrogen free radical. It is by possibilities that to break the carbon hydrogen bond you should require minimum 104 kilocalorie energy, but here carbon chlorine bond it produce 84 kilocalorie energy, so it is not sufficient for your bond breaking energy. So you require at least 20 kilocalorie energy more to complete that step. So you can easily observe also that to produce methyl free radical, to produce methyl free radical, our reaction need at least 1 kilocalorie energy, which is known as energy of activation. But to produce hydrogen free radical, our reaction need at least 20 kilocalorie energy, which is so much high as compared to methyl free radical. So which step is more preferable during we provide energy? Less energy required step is more preferable. So our reaction is going in this way to produce methyl free radical. After producing methyl free radical attack on chlorine molecule in such a way, and chlorine will share its single electron and it produces chlorine radical and methyl chloride. And our last step of reaction is chain termination reaction, in which the two highly reactive free radical get merged and produce stable molecule. To chlorine free radical give chlorine molecule, to methyl free radical give ethane molecule, and one methyl radical and one chlorine radical, it will give methyl chloride radical. So in this way it is a complete and give us product. So thank you for watching and keep supporting.